Xiamen Tonpus Electronic Technology Company, Ltd., was started in 2012 in Xiamen. The company is a high-tech enterprise specialized in R&D, production, marketing and engineering services of LED truck/trailer lights, LED motorcycle lights, and LED auto lights. The company's products are sold to Europe, North America, South America, and Southeast Asia. The company's main products have passed E-Mark certification of the EU, and all products are compliant with regulations of DOT, SAC, FCC, RoHS, IP68, and WE. The company has the fully automatic SMT workshop, injection molding workshop, aluminum vacuum workshop, and assemble workshop. The company has over 100 machines, including injection molding machines, fully automatic SMT line, AOI test machine, reflow oven, stamping equipment, robot adhesive dispensers, advanced thermosetting and UV vacuum aluminum coating machines, and PC-UV curing treatment equipment. The company can produce 5 million lamps every year. The company has established the laboratory for testing vehicle lights. We can make accurate analysis of electric, optical, mechanical, and chemical probabilities of products during the design, production, and quality control process that ensures our products meet the highest quality requirements. The company has the highly experienced R&D team. The team on average develop more than 50 new products every year. The team works closely with customers, which enable us to serve better with our existing customer and constantly develop the new markets. The company can meet the customized needs of OEM and ODM. We aim to be a top-ranking OEM and ODM factory. The company will march forward steadily in international market with customers all over the world hand by hand.